Sitting on a huge piece of land, this house is a mystery. All of my research on it has come up empty. No build date or info about who has lived in it. The only information available is that it will soon be demolished and replaced with an industrial subdivision. Thankfully, we got to explore it before that happens. Starting off on the back deck of this one, up on the 3rd floor. Over there is a very main street. It's very washed out, you can't even see it. Let's get at it. As you walk in, it's very hot. Still marks in the carpet here from furniture. Blue walls. What's this little area over here? Comes out into a kitchen. It's the same way that doorway goes. But I love this door. This wood door. It's kept original. Beautiful. So there's a kitchen up here in the attic. Makes me think possibly it was split into apartments. Bathroom up here too. Look at the old staircase. The blue walls though. Wow. Quite the contrast. Okay, if we keep going down these stairs, look at the wallpaper. But we're gonna do the 2nd floor. Window out into the backyard. All the original wood doors. I love it. Look at the ceiling in here. Wow. That's a very nice ceiling. It's a very nice bathroom overall. Nice ceiling, and look at the molding. What is this door to? Okay, that's the one we just came down. Door here. Doorknobs removed. Oh, this is sealed shut. What the heck is in there? Oh, I hate that. Oh, I hate it. Not gonna be able to get in there. 2nd floor kitchen. Makes me think apartments more and more, but I didn't see more than one hydrometer outside. I'm gonna have to double check. Still a fridge in this one. This place still has power. Looks like a bedroom. Closet. These are DVD cases. Just empty. Still skeleton key. Wood doors but painted over, which is gross. Why paint over that? Another bedroom with a door. Let's see where this door goes. Okay. Back out onto the porch. Just a level down than where we started at. This is such a beautiful house. multiple kitchens, bathrooms, multiple exits. Yeah, I'm really thinking they split this off into apartments. But they kept a lot of these original features. I love it. If I was ever going to rent an apartment, it'd be like in a place like this. Somebody has been not too kind to this door. Sucks. The railing is still fully intact. Yeah, these are apartments. But the second floor has no separate entrance for the main entrance. There's nothing blocking it off from the main floor. Look at the molding. It's an updated light fixture, but the molding's still there. Beautiful doorway. Old radiator. Look at it. It has the designs. Oh, I love it. Love it. My kind of house. The French doors. Gorgeous feature. Gorgeous. Insane. This place is beautiful. Back to the main doorway. Oh, look at this room. Very old style. You have the wood trim halfway on the wall. And coming down here as well. The molding. Yeah, this place is a beauty. What a weird spot for the heater in the kitchen. That is so weird. That's a first. I've never seen that before. Oh, look at the ceiling in here too. Now, is that ever neat? That is a nice feature through here. What was it, on the third floor and then the main? Very big and open kitchen. Trying to see if there's a basement. Probably it right here, or this is a closet. Okay, closet. What the heck is the basement? What is this over here? Okay. We have a little, what looks like would have been a laundry room. Closet. I thought this would have been the basement. But that's the staircase with the crazy wallpaper. We might have to go back up there to see if it goes to a basement. Because I don't see anywhere else. to a basement. Oh, that old creek. How do we get up to the 3rd floor now? Yes, it was in here. No, it was not. Where the heck am I going? Right here. Stairs are crazy, but they're awesome. No way down to the basement. Darn. Look at this deck. Love it. We have a shed back here. See if we can check this out. We gotta turn the light on. Some jerry cans. Trailer. A lot of spider webs. There was a 2nd floor. What a neat house. Love it. What an amazing find. I love the old features. You're gonna have to let me know what you think in the comments, what you thought about if it was split off into apartments or not. It's gonna be very sad to see it go. Let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, I'll see you on the next adventure.